भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुता पदकमलम्. Just like we are talking of industries. The industries, they are mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita as Ugra Karma. Ugra Karma means ferocious activities. For livelihood, we require our maintenance. Ahara, Nidra, Bhayamaya, these are the primary necessities of this body, material body. For that, Krishna has said, Annad bhavanti bhutani. Anna means food grains, we require. Annad bhavanti bhutani. That food grains we can produce very easily by agriculture. In another place Krishna says, Krishi go raksha vanijjam vaisyakarma sabhavaya. We can produce sufficient food grains for our maintenance, and the whole world has got sufficient land. I have travelled over the world at least 14 times during the last 8 years. I have travelled all over the world, even interior. I have seen there is enough land, especially in Africa, in Australia, in America, and we can produce so much food grains that 10 times of this present population can be easily maintained. 10 times. There is no scarcity of food. But the difficulty is that we have demarcated. This is my land. Somebody says this is American my land, Australia my land, the Africa my land, India my land. This my and I. Janasya moho ahangamameti. This is called illusion. That I and my. I am this body and this is my property. This is called illusion. And this illusion, if we stand on this platform of illusion, then we are no better than the animals. Jashatma buddhi kunapeti dhatuke sadhik kalatra dishu bhauma ijjadhi jat tirtha buddhi salile na karhichit janeshu avigneshu saeva gokhar. Go means cow and khara means ass. Those who are in the bodily concept of life, aham mameti, they are no better than these asses and the cows, and the animals. This is going on. I will not take much of your time, but I shall try to convince you what is the purpose of this Krishna consciousness movement. The purpose of this Krishna consciousness movement is to save the human society from becoming animals, cows and asses. This is the movement. They have established their civilization as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, animal or asuric civilization, Asuric civilization beginning is pravitting cha nivitting cha janana vidu asura. The Asuric demonic civilization, they do not know in which way we have to guide ourselves for attaining the perfection of life, pravitti and nivitti, and which we should not take, favorable and unfavorable. Human life, everyone knows, this is favorable for me and this is unfavorable for me. So, Asura Jana, those who are demonic persons, they do not know this. What is favorable for me and what is not favorable for me. Pravitti nivitting cha janana vidurasa na sauchang na pichachara. There is no cleanliness, not good behavior, na sattang tesu vidya, and there is no truth in their life. This is Asuric. We have heard many times Asuras, Asuric civilization, demonic civilization. This is the beginning. Pravitting cha nivitting cha janana vidurasura na sauchang na pichachara na sattang tesu avu. Sattang, there is no truthfulness. And just the first class life means the Brahmana life. Sattang sauchang tapo. The beginning is sattang. The Asuric life is no sattang, no truth. And the first class life in human society, the Brahmana, sattang sauchang tapo, and titikha, arjava, astikam, jnanam, vijnanam. This is first class life. So our Krishna consciousness movement is to create a class of men, ideal, first class men, with sattang, sauchang, tapo, sama, dama, titikha. This is godly civilization. And this godly civilization can be given to the whole world by India. That is India's special privilege. Because in other countries beyond India, there are almost Asuri Jana and Ugra Karma. The industries and other Ugra Karma has come from the Western countries. But by this way, people will never be happy. That is very elaborately explained in the 16th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. Dushpurak, Akankha, their desire will never be satisfied by this material advancement. They do not know, they are forgetting. So, we selected this Bombay. Bombay city is the best city, most advanced city in India, the best city in India. And people are also very nice. They are religiously inclined. They are opulent. They can take up better things very nicely. Therefore, I wanted to start this center, Bombay, for spreading this Krishna consciousness movement. Although there have been many impediments in my endeavor, still, ultimately it is Krishna's business, it will come successful. So today, the foundation and cornerstone establishment was done 2 years before, but there are many, many impediments from the Asuric Jana. Now somehow or other, we have got little relief from such impediments. So we are putting this cornerstone, this auspicious day, and I am very glad that you have joined us.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.